Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on Redmi Note 14S. So you have to start by opening your Google application and then click on your avatar and now click on settings. Then click on Google Assistant and then click on voice match. Now click here to enable Hey Google feature and then scroll down and click I agree. Now scroll down again and click I agree again and then click next. Now click on Retrain voice match model. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Let me try that again. Hey Google, help me write a thank you note. Hey Google, what's the weather tomorrow? Okay Google, explain how a rainbow is formed. Okay Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Then click next. And now you can go back. And click on lock screen. Then click yes, I'm in. And make sure that this first option stays on. Now let's go back. And go back again. Then click on Gemini. And as you can see, my Gemini is now enabled. So let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Okay Google. And as you can see, my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.